Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Quiet Time. It's basically just a name, another name for the Do Not Disturb this mode. As you can see, like, it's even called Do Not Disturb is on. So by tapping on Quiet Time, you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. As you can see here, it's called Do Not Disturb. So you can set up a schedule for this mode, like you can pick the start time, end time, and when this mode repeats, on which days. You can silence media when is Do Not Disturb. You can allow notifications, like you can allow notification bar and other notification types, superscript on screen icon, something like that. You can also allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for calls. And there's also an option ring for repeat calls. A second call from the same number within 3 minutes will not be silenced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.